In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to create your own Instagram watch history. Now, we already know that Instagram does not have a watch history. The only way you can find history is history of stuff you've liked or commented on, or maybe even saved. And we're actually going to use this save function to create our own such watch history. Okay, so since we already know that Instagram does not keep a history or a catalog of everything you've watched, then you might want to keep your own log of the stuff you watched and you think you might like to come back to. Now, some people don't like, if you don't want to like or comment on a photo just to keep it in record, you can just save it. Now, saving an Instagram post will not alert the owner of the post that you actually saved it. Okay, so let's say you're scrolling through your Instagram feed and you see something you like and you think you might want to come back to it later, you can just tap on the save button. Okay, so it's gonna get saved and you can just go on and do your thing, and you see something else you like, tap on the save button. Okay, now these saved videos are private information and no one will be able to see the stuff you've saved, and even the content creator will not see that you actually actually saved that content. So you're basically creating a catalog of your own watch history. But this time, it's not going to save everything you've watched. It's only going to save the stuff you saved. Okay. This will make your watch history shorter and more concise, and only the stuff you're interested in coming back to look at later, or or you want to do something with it later. Okay. Now for Instagram Reels, let's just go to Reels. And as you're watching your Reels and you see something that you like and you really don't want to like it, you can just tap on the three dots and then tap on save from there. Okay. Now, obviously, Instagram will keep telling you to try to save with friends if you want to do that, but I don't really want to do that just now. So you see something that you like or something you want to come back to, three dots, tap on save and move on. Okay, so you're basically creating your own watch history. So later, when you remember a reel that you watched and you wanted to see again, you can just tap on your profile. That takes you to your profile page. Tap on the three-line button in the top right corner, and then you should see saved. So if you tap on that, you can see all the things you saved. So these are all the posts I saved. They're all here. Okay, so that is basically how you can sort of create your own Instagram watch history, because watch history as a feature is not existent on the Instagram platform. Okay, so this is just a workaround. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.